she went.
Yep, there it went and blew out the whole back of it.
Holy
Blew out the whole back of that bitch.
Damn.
You had that on tape,
That's
man.
what I'm
I did.
talking about.
You did?
Yeah.
Blew the whole back of that bitch out.
Holy shit.
Blew the whole back of that hoe out. The whole back of it, dude. Look.
That's what I wanted right there.
Yeah.
Blow that son of a bitch sky high, dude.
That ain't supposed to happen right there.
Oh man, dude, I felt it blow up, man.
I felt it. I was sitting on it. I was sitting on it when it blew up.
Holy shit. Damn, this thing
Oh yeah.
didn't have much. Holy shit.
It broke the whole crank.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
broke
man.
everything, dude. That thing blew up.
I think it's
That
fucked.
bitch blew up.